Hey guys, Liam from Blackpool Honda here. And here we have our crystal black Civic Prestige. This car is 1.5 VTEC turbo, and of course you can tell this is the Prestige by the front grille at the front. Of course this car does have the orange line pack on, as you can see. This car does also come with 18-inch alloys all round. Every single one has just been freshly refurbed, so is in perfect condition. As you can see, we have the orange door mirror covers, chrome door handles, with which again we have the rear alloy here, which again is in perfect condition. Moving around the rear of the vehicle, we have rear parking sensors with reversing camera just here. And again, quickly showing you on the bottom of the bumper, we have the orange line there. Moving into the boot, you can see we have plenty of room in here, along with your privacy shelf just here, which provides more privacy along with this. Of course the seats do fold 60-40 split, and they do fold flat. Of course just below we have extra room here for anything that's a bit taller that you need to store in the boot. Of course up here we have your 12-volt power outlet just there. Moving around the vehicle again, quickly showing you this rear alloy here. As you can see again, perfect condition. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, we have your full black leather seats with Isofix mounting points there. Of course we do also have rear heated seats just there. And of course electric automatic rear windows. Moving into the front, you can see we have all 4 controls for the windows, all of which are automatic, with your window lock, central locking, electric adjustment and your power fold button just there. Your engine start button is there. Traction control, park assist, collision assist, headlight washers and your lane assist is just there. And of course we have your back support there for the seat. Electric handbrake with brake hold, econ, damper settings, and of course your stop start button is just there. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox with wireless phone charging just there as well. Of course 2 front heated seats as well with dual climate control, which can be controlled on your touchscreen display. On this touchscreen display you can see we have your satellite navigation just there. We have all your different sources on your audio. We also have your Bluetooth hands-free just there as well. Moving to the multi-function steering wheel just here, you can see we have the controls for your lane assist, which is just there, cruise control and speed limiter, and of course your distance control from the car in front. Your Bluetooth hands-free, onboard computer, and everything general between the touchscreen display and your onboard computer is controlled here, along with the volume button there. You have automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and of course this car has done 25,729 miles. Just quickly showing you that this car does have a panoramic roof, if you've not already seen. And of course the last remaining alloy, which again is in perfect condition. This car does also come with front parking sensors as well, and of course LED daytime running lights. If you have any further questions or queries on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide you with a more in-depth video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.